Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best professional PDF editor that every Windows and Mac computer users should try. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Adobe Acrobat Pro, and on the first list you will see its official website as we can see here. So right now I'm talking about the Pro, so just click on this second website link, so it will directly take you to the official website. So you can see here, as right now I'm using a Windows computer, so it's displaying for Windows. If you're using a Mac, then it will show you for the Apple or Mac computers. So below here some plans. If you like, you can try it later on, but you can click on free trial to download it, and you can try it completely for free for a few days, and after that if you like it, then you can purchase or go for their respective plans. So I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. Then after that you can see here I have one PDF file, right? So this is a scan PDF file, so let me open it using the Adobe Acrobat Pro. So this is a scan PDF file. As you can see here, the fonts is almost a scan one, so you won't get this kind of fonts in your respective computer. So you can see here my scan document files, right? So on the right side you will get some options like create PDF, combine PDFs, edit PDF, export, and tons of options like fill and sign, which is also very useful, scan and OCR. So if you want to edit the scan PDF files, then you can just click on this edit. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see some rectangular border appears on every words or any pictures if available also. Now you can see here, if I like to delete some words, I'll just click on the respective. So you can see here blinking cursor, right? Now if I hit a backspace, you can see I can delete. So if I type a letter again, it will try to get the exactly the same fonts like the scan one. And once you are done, you can just click on the blank area and you can just go to the file and you can save it as PDF, or you can save it as other format also by clicking on the save as, or you can directly click on the save. So this is all about the editing. Now let us close this editing, and now you can see if you want to create a PDF, then you can just click on the create PDF and you can select any file or any multiple scanners, web page, clipboard, blank space, or you can just click on create, or you can select a file also if you wish, or you can directly create it by clicking on the create. So you can select any file if you have supported files, so all supported files. So right now I don't have any file present in my desktop computer, so I can proceed. So you just click on create to create a document files. So in the rest you can see if you want to combine files, then you can combine, you can organize the pages, you can add a comments, you can scan, you can even password protect your PDF file or restrict it from editing. You can by clicking on this protect, and there are more tools if you want to use, like there are more options, like you can see here tons of more options. You can optimize PDF. There are more options that you can try it out by yourselves. So you can see here one more very useful option, certificates. That means it will check some signatures or anything is verified or not. If you can see in the various websites, when you download from the respective official websites, then you may see some signatures that is verified or not verified. This is also very handy and useful features, certificates. So there are ton more options, like you can add stamps, measures, and tons of options that you can try it by yourself. So definitely a very good and best professional PDF editor that every Windows and Mac users should try out. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.